Okay, hello guys, and welcome back to another stream. Now, I haven't done a stream in a while, so I thought I might as well do one. And I, when I last streamed, I did minigame plugin, and I've decided I'm not going to carry on with that because I've already done it. It didn't really work, but I've still already done quite a bit of it, so I wanted something new to make. And I know for a while I've been wanting to create some kind of RPG style plugin because I quite like RPG games like Skyrim and Oblivion, the one before it. So I wanted to really make my own version, so I have converted my minigame plugin into this RPG plugin. I've worked on it a bit in my spare time. Now the reason why I haven't streamed all of it is because obviously if people copied exactly what I did, they wouldn't be learning themselves. So I'm just going to be streaming parts of my plugin. So from now on, during this stream, obviously I'll be streaming it. It's been a while since you've watched me live. Yeah, it's because I haven't been streaming live recently. Where did I learn to code? I've had this question a lot. In fact, someone asked me it today, and I had quite a long answer. And to sum up my answer to someone else who asked where I learnt, I basically taught myself, and I sort of set myself mini goals to achieve. So you think of how do I make a player or make a command in a plugin, and then you make it or follow a tutorial how to make it, and then after you follow tutorial on how to do it, you do it yourself without the tutorial, like trying to do it by memory, and eventually you just slowly learn. And yes, I do know Emilio Joan. I don't know how you say that name, but yes, I do know you. So right now I'll show you what I've got so far. I've pretty much got the basics of what we had in the minigame plugin with the player information, having all the names, their rank, banned, muted. I've also added level and experience. Doesn't do anything yet, which is what I was working on just now when I started. And then obviously in these RPG things you have mobs or enemies that you need to kill. Now, for the way it to work with to handle loads of people on the server at once, I've created what I've called as a spawner, just like a normal Minecraft spawner, but it's using custom mobs. So when players go nearby, that skeleton shouldn't be there, but when players go nearby, it will start spawning these mobs. Now they will have a set level and a set damage and set health that I choose myself, and it's different to normal Minecraft. So if I just made a quick command called /spawner. And there you go. I called this one a deranged zombie. He's level 12. I could set the level to whatever I wanted. I just chose 12 to make it sort of show that it can be different levels. And he'll just walk around randomly. If I, however, there's one all the way over there. If I, however, fly away from here, I don't know why there's skeletons around. They shouldn't be there. Game motion you setting up, not anymore. Well, I'm just showing it off. So if I fly away for a bit and then I fly back, you saw there were about 3 zombies there. Now they've gone. So the reason that happens, though, there shouldn't be one. That shouldn't be there. I'll fix it later. But it deletes the zombies that aren't sort of in player's view. So if you're within 50 blocks, they'll be spawning. If you then leave that 50 blocks radius, they'll disappear. And that's to save the server having loads of entities loaded, having loads of things to check and things like that. And they spawn every 6 seconds, so it's not like a player comes along and won't see anything. There'll at least be one there, and then while they're trying to kill that one, there'll be more spawning. So if I can go to game mode 0, they'll all start trying to attack me, but I don't want them to attack me. And I've currently not created any unique weapons or spells or anything like that. You can just hit them for now. So if you hit it, a little health bar appears underneath his name, which is always following him. And every time you hit, it does a little damage indicator of how many hearts you've taken off. So it's only one with punching, obviously. If I Oops, not a diamond. If I got a diamond sword out and started whacking him, it will say 7 because that's how much damage a diamond sword is. And then you kill him and obviously he's dead. And reloading deletes that little spawner, but it also deletes the other entities just to save space. Where did I learn to code? I just said this a minute ago. If you just go back in the stream, you'll hear it. Hey Strafe, I'm gonna assume. How are you? Okay, so I don't really want to be in this biome. I don't like snow. Oh well. Weather clear. So what I was working on just before I started the stream was the levels, as I said. And I wanted to make it so when you killed a mob, it will give you XP, obviously. So then the more mobs you kill, the more XP you get, and you'll level up. And I was just thinking of a way on how to do levels and make it appear in your XP bar, what level you are and how much to the next level. So I thought of getting the percent to the next level. This is what I used in my original minigame plugin, calculating how much XP for the next level. It's just the level plus 1 to the power of 3, and that's how much XP you need to the next level, so it does get progressively higher. And so yeah, I was thinking of using a percentage, so then you can easily, no matter what level they are, find out the percent of the XP bar you need. I don't actually know how to set the XP bar, I've never done it myself, but I'll figure it out. So percent to next level. I think this should work. This just gets the current XP, which is playinformation.getExperience, so their current XP, divided by how much XP they need, and then times that by 100, just so you get like an actual number. I don't know if that shouldn't be a integer. It should be an integer, I mean. So you shouldn't get decimals, and then it will return that. So hello Hayes, we're in. Hayes, I'll call you Hayes. Welcome back to a new stream, because I haven't seen you since the last one. So oh yeah, video join. Okay, I need to also save their XP and level when they first join, when they join, so I'll do that on there. Level equals, not punish API, equals, I could just do level API. I'll just copy this into the level API. Int level. Straphia, I'm not sure what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about, Antonio. And then int XP and experience. And then information level equals level API dot level this, and XP equals level API dot XP. Okay, so that was simple. Now we can do things like setting their level. So I'm just going to comment setting level player.set. Oh, that's a simple set level player.set x. Can you do set XP? Yep, XP. Okay, I don't know how set XP works, because does it the app I learned about, I didn't use an app to learn coding. I said before how I learned. I didn't like do anything. I just taught myself really. But I'm trying to think how, because set XP, the XP between level 1 and level 2 in Minecraft is completely different to level 30 and level 31. So I don't know whether set XP will change depending. Now, what I recommend you guys doing if you ever create programs is to use this Java decompiler, so you can actually look at the Spigot coding. So if you just type into Google Java decompiler and then you open your Spigot version in it, you can look at all the Spigot code. I've done this occasionally, like when I was creating custom mobs, I use this. So it's actually quite helpful if you're trying to do certain things. Now I'm just looking for org.bucket.entity.player. I'm assuming it will tell us more about it in it. So entity, and where is it? Player, here we go. So now this is the player class, so now we can have a look through, and it doesn't appear to tell us anything about the player except the different things. I can't do Control F. There aren't just people that like just type into Google or YouTube how to learn. There aren't coding apps because there's just loads of different things that you can do. There's no specific things. As Hayes said, I recommend just typing in Java tutorial for beginners. Just start by watching that, copy and learn what they do. And that's the only way you can really do it. Okay, I'm going to quickly scan through give XP, get XP. Extends human entity. It's got to be that then. Extends living entity. Okay, I'm not going to be able to find it through that, so I'm just going to do what you should always do and Google. So Spigot set level and XP. Okay, that doesn't seem to have much code. Setting getting players current experience points. Oh dear. Maybe I could even use the built-in. Yeah, look, there's a get XP to level. Set total experience. Maybe you could like use the built-in XP system. Oh no, I'll just leave it as this. Perhaps rather than a percentage, I'll have to use. Actually, because I have this percentage, I can then use that percentage to calculate the new percentage, if that makes any sense. So, because it's going to be different for their new level, and then set XP. Is a player's XP just their XP bar, or is it? No, it can't be, or it might be. I don't know. Come on, stupid weather. I think weather. There's some kind of game rule for weather. Do weather cycle. Okay, midday, perfect. So let me have a think. So to get the so we need to find 10%, or say they were 10% to the next level. We need to find 10% of int. Yeah, int needed equals player.x xp to level. Okay, so that's what they need. No, we don't want. We should set their XP to 0. Get with the XP that they need to the next level, which should be the maximum amount. Coder without computer. Percent to next level. This. You don't need a gaming PC to play Minecraft. No, you definitely don't need a gaming PC to play Minecraft. I mean, just turn down all the settings and you can be fine. A toaster could run it definitely. I mean, I'm using a toaster right now to do all this and it's working. Should percent. Now, okay, I'm just going to use calculator. For some reason my search bar isn't working, so I have to find a memory. Okay, so if we imagine they were level 1, they need 100 XP to the next level, and they've got 30 XP. So they are 30%. Three times 100. 30. Okay, yeah, so percentage player dot set XP percentage. Oops. Tom equals bad at maths. I'm not bad at maths. I'm just trying to think of how to do this. I can do maths in my head. I was thinking I would need to do more maths on the calculator, but I didn't. So percentage times, no, not times, divided by 100. Divided by 100 times needed? No. Divided by needed. I can't remember what I did a second ago. What did I just do? Does it have a... It doesn't say what I last did. I think it was 0.3. Yes, I have Windows 10, that's what I'm using right now. Needed, they need Oh yeah, I did the wrong thingy. So they need 70. Wait, no, they need 100. Okay, pretend they need 125. And they're 30 way through. I don't know. Yeah, I know I did 0.3 times 100, but I can't think of what I'm trying to do. Times needed, maybe? I think, possibly. I don't know, we'll find out. Reload and rejoin. Oh, stupid invalid session. And I can't. Minecraft. Yeah, I got an error just then because I reloaded. And you shouldn't reload really. 1.12. How much does your computer cost? I have Windows 10 by the way also. I don't know how much it costs. It's not worth how much I bought it for anymore because it's old and second hand. Okay, so my level doesn't seem to have set. I need a reload command or something. Wait, let me try rejoining now. Has it saved my plugins? Has it saved my level? Mini player data. Level 1 experience 0. I don't need that. Level 1 experience 0, so it should have set all of that, but it didn't. Player.set level. Let's make it display their level just so we can bug test. Oops. I mean import, export, not import. Okay, it doesn't do that. It didn't do any of this. Did we get any errors? No. Line 33. What? Oh, join API. Oh yeah, obviously. Okay, it says 1. So yeah, it does broadcast the message. Maybe it's because you can't set it. Okay, yeah, I know why. It's because I need to do it in the on-player join. Player equals u.get player. No, we want to do, yeah, player information pi equals main dot online dot get player. Using enums for ints or ranks. I'm using ints because that's what I used when I last streamed. I haven't changed it yet, and I don't even think I've made ranks. Yeah, I haven't even done ranks yet. Oh wait, yeah, never mind, I have. I'll sort that out later. I don't need to right now. I'm focusing on this. Got level. Let's get rid of that. PI. Okay, maybe that will work. It's just that I don't think you can set players XP while they're logging in because they're not properly loaded yet. Okay, yeah, there we go. So level 1 and that much. So I had 1 XP and I leave and I rejoin. Didn't do anything. Okay, so set their XP to the percentage. 100 times needed. Okay, let's just broadcast all of this. So needed percentage, and then finally that. What did GameOcean then make a server like computer do? So what? I'm not sure what you're talking about, Antonio. 900, great. So needed was 9. So I needed 9 XP according to Minecraft to get to the next level. But percentage apparently was 0. I'm 0%. Okay, dot broadcast message current XP. So let's do this. XP needed. Focus that. Reload. Current XP is 1, XP needed 8, so I need 9. I need 8. Yeah. Let me just make it broadcast percent as well. Quit, reload, back in. Percent 0, why is it 0? Percent should be current XP, which is 1. Perhaps I need to do math.round. Maybe just converting it to an int doesn't, Java doesn't like that. So percent 0. Okay, so current XP, which is 1, divided by the XP needed, which is 8. So just so I don't do anything wrong, I'm going to use a calculator. So current XP 1 divided by 8, 0.125 times by 100 times 100, it should be 12.5, and then I'd math.round. Should have rounded it to 13, but it didn't. Why it's been needed? I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Perhaps. Let me try pasting this in. Warning. Oh yeah, okay. Reload. Percent still 0. And I don't know why it's 0 because current XP, it shouldn't be that. I need to leave. Reload it, rejoin. Still 0. Why does it say 0? Current XP is 1, XP needed is 8. 1. Perhaps I just got the brackets in the wrong place. Let me add another one here and here. That would be annoying if it was just because I had different brackets. No. That's around current XP divided by that. Perhaps. Does anybody know why it just comes out as 0? Percent should be current XP, which as we've broadcasted is 1, divided by the XP that we need, which is 8 as it says there, and then after all that is done it times it by 100, which as I showed in the calculator going it through, I know it's really simple maths, but going through it came out as 12.5, which should have then been rounded to 30. So I'm not really sure. Current XP needed. This shouldn't have an effect, but let me try it as a double. Double. Probably should have done float, but oh well. Why you round the math? Because not rounding it didn't work, and rounding it doesn't work either, so I was just testing around. No, that still doesn't work. I'll try not rounding it. Still no. React to me, the duck person 3.0. That's a very specific version. I really don't know, because this should work. Perhaps try removing the times 100. That doesn't work. Perhaps it's the... Oh, I have an idea. Perhaps I need to cast these to doubles. Let's try that. Okay, that's just stupid. I had to cast those integers to doubles to actually use any of the maths on them. Okay, so percent is 13, okay, that's right. Actually, let me change these all to floats. And remove the round, because this set XP is already a thingy. Maybe that'll work. We do have an error there. Oh, experience must be between 0 and 1. Okay. So that doesn't even work anyway. It must be between 0.0 and 1.0. So we don't even need to times it by 100. I mean we don't need to. Yeah. Let's try this. Okay, yeah, so we got a tiny bit of percentage bar, but that doesn't seem like a lot. Ah, it's because we divided it again. If I know, we can just do a percentage. Right, maybe. Let's try that. I didn't rejoin. Okay, that didn't seem to like it. It is between 0 and 1. Oh wait, no it isn't. I need to add a custom reload command, this is getting annoying. Okay, there we go. So now, every time I increment XP by 1, it should go up a bit. Yep. Is that a quarter, do you think? Let me relog. 4. That should technically be halfway. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so we have the XP working, we have the levels working. Just give myself some saturation. Oh, I don't even need to give myself regeneration. So now I just need to give XP when players kill, and I think that should be based on the level of the mob. Okay, so int level. Okay, so when entity damage, so when the mob dies, it should give XP. and when a player hits it, we want the mob that they've hit to save them, so we know who to give the XP to as well. So CZ, I don't want CZ anymore. I used to call it a custom zombie, now I'm calling it a deranged zombie. Just custom was for testing, obviously, to begin with, but now I've got a proper name for it. What's the reward of killing a player? I don't think you should be able to kill players in this. Because it's like an RPG game, you're just going to have people, some people that have done almost everything, going to have really overpowered stuff, so they'll just be killing everyone. So I don't think you should be able to kill players, except maybe in certain areas, like an arena maybe, then you can kill players. But I don't think it would be fair on new players otherwise. So yeah, add damager main.online.get e. Oh no. Okay. Because it's entity damage event. Entity damage entity event. Oh, entity damage by entity event, I think it is. Yeah, okay. You don't get damager. Sounds cool. Yeah, I think this will be good if it works, because I'm also going to have things like quests, and this should actually be really simple. If the hardest part, I think, will be creating custom weapons and spells, like, because I think there should be like some kind of magic class, and because it's an RPG you can have spells. So I think that will be the hardest part really, because quests I could set it up so you activate the quest, you go collect an item from somewhere after killing some kind of mob, and then you go take it back and you've done the quest, maybe even adding multiple stages, not too sure. But I think it'll be pretty simple, a pretty simple system. So if what other stuff will you have / what will you be able to do? It's probably just going to be a big map. It's not been made yet. I don't know if it will be made. This is just for me to live stream and test and create stuff. But you have weapons you can collect, different people drop different mobs, items I mean, you kill different things which have different levels and do quests, and imagine Skyrim but in Minecraft basically. Let's put it that way. And if it dies, if this dies, then we can give XP to all of the players. Equals get their level, and then what we want to do is find the XP we should give them. So I was thinking perhaps the level of the mob divided by a certain amount and then to the power of something else, just so it works for whatever, no matter what level it is. So again, I'm going to use my cheeky little calculator. Sorry, I just had to put that guy into timeout because he was just spamming with useless messages, which automatically deletes the messages, which is quite useful. So say the mob was level 1. 1 divided by 10 is obviously 0.1, but that's like not a lot of XP. Perhaps it's the level. No, I don't think that should be the level. So say you had a level 10 mob, or level 12 like I've already got, level 12. Add itself divided by 20 maybe, so plus 2.4, and then you round that, so it would give you 14 XP. I think that might work. So if you get some hardcore player, how will combat progression work? Just getting stronger weapons or do separate skills? For combat progression, I think the higher level the mobs are, the higher the level the item will drop. So there'll be certain items that I create, and I give them certain damage values and different types of damage and things like that. And every time you level up, you get given skill points maybe, which you can give to either damage, defense, whatever range, mage as you said, perhaps things like that maybe. RuneScape player, I've never played RuneScape before. I don't know if you're talking about me, but I've never played it. 100. Maybe that system won't work. Perhaps it's self divided by 30. Level 1. Divided by 30. First, if I was a RuneScape creature, which I was, I would have said attack, strength, defense, range, mage, and attack, range, and mage vary many different. That is true. Okay, so the level plus dz dot get level divided by 0.3 perhaps. Round that and cast that to an int. Maybe that will work. And then I'm gonna do what I did before, which is have this. And that just sets like a, because when you hit a mob, let me just create a spawner. When you hit a mob, the damage values are sort of a random point around the mob. I should probably go back to game mode 1. And if we did that for XP, that would be fine. I think grey would be the best. Of course, it's an A. Plus give XP there you go, easy. Should it be in brackets? I don't know. Oh, and then we also need to say who it goes for. Perhaps just if dz dot get dam. Okay, in here I need to get damages. Okay, we add damager. Is dot add pi public array list player information, get damages, return damages. Oh, okay. Entity damage, get damages dot size equals 1. So that means if there's just one person, then we can put their name in it. So dot get 0 because they're the only one, and then finish off with the square brackets. Otherwise we can do that, but say shared, like it's a shared XP. And then we obviously need to give the XP, so for player information PI get damages, add, I need an add XP. So public void add experience int experience and plus equaled XP. Okay, and then we can also do detect level ups, so public can level up, return false as the default. And I remember in my old minigame thing I had this. I might have it here. Detect level up. If it's bigger than or equal to the XP needed, then it's true. If XP is bigger than or equal to XP needed level, return true. Otherwise return false because it's not. What else? We need to then do can level. If they can level up, return no. Okay, so now I think I should add a way of perhaps Boolean can oh, that's true. Okay, that might work. Okay, so theoretically, when I kill mobs, oh, what is that? Oh, I exported the wrong thing. That'll be why. Okay, so theoretically now I should get XP when I kill these dudes. Oh, they have a lot of health, but they're level 12, so that means I'm going to get a lot of XP quickly. Oh no. Oh, did that say plus 50? Oh, they also drop normal XP, which will kind of mess with the system. Um, I need to get this. Perhaps a public void set player client XP maybe? Just a simple copy and paste this. And then all I have to do is pi.set player client XP. Set player client XP. Easy peasy. Disconnect, reload, reconnect. Spawner, get this guy in. Game mode 0. Okay, plus 52 XP. It said shared. Not sure why. Didn't send my XP. Didn't send my XP there either. Why did it? Ah, okay, I know why. Main.online. You don't get damage. Okay. Why have we got an error? Am I missing? Yep, I was missing a bracket. Oh, this stream's been going on for a while now. An hour. Only 2 people watching, oh well. I mean, I was going to be I was going to be working on this anyway, so I thought I might as well stream while I'm doing it, and people can watch if they want. I don't really mind if people aren't watching, but it's always nice to have some people watching. And I've got the invisible zombie thing again. This happened a while before, and I don't know why. They just suddenly started spawning invisible. Like, the server just suddenly gives up and decides, I'm not gonna let you see the zombies. Yeah, look. It might just be... Let me stop the server and restart. I'm watching, Daddy. Yeah, I know you're watching, but you don't need to be watching. So we'll start in 15 seconds. I mean, you watch, but like you don't even. I don't know what I'm saying. Come on. Hopefully this works. Spawner. Okay, yeah. I don't know why it decides it doesn't want to work, but it's a weird bug. Oh. Oh, okay. Sort of. Ah, okay. 0. Don't get a name. Why not? Because it's not that interesting, I don't think. Oh. Doesn't seem to want me to join. There we go. Spawner. Game mode 0. Kill him. Plus 52 XP, and it said my name. Oh, that's stupid. Stupid XP orbs. How do you stop the XP orbs from dropping? Is that... No, it isn't. No, of course not. Why would I ever have that server on my list? I don't want to cancel picking it up. I just don't want it to even drop. Maybe it will be under this empty spawn. Oh, I have an idea. Let's find out the exact reason for why it spawns. Because every time an entity spawns, like a zombie or a XP orb, it has a different spawn reason. So now I'm being spammed with natural because that's like a normal pig spawning, that's your natural one. So custom, kill this guy, custom. That's all me spawning them. I guess it'll be, I don't know. Spawn reason dot. Can't see it there. Or e dot. Oops. So entity type equals entity type dot XP orb, experience orb. Okay, that should now cancel it. Disconnect, reload, reconnect. You're always interested in me. I'm glad I'm always interesting. Spawner. Give me 0. Oh no, there's 2 of them. Okay. Okay, they don't drop XP anymore. Oh, okay, it just dropped XP. It's giving me a lot of XP though. Game mode 1. Okay, so that didn't work. Where am I? Entity death event set dropped XP. Let's look in here. Zero. Okay, that'll work. Now nothing should drop XP ever again. Spawner, where are you? Let me kill it before it starts attacking me. Ow. Okay, didn't drop any XP, that's good, but I also didn't get any XP. Yep, my XP is still 4. Oh dear. That was close. Okay, so I didn't get any XP. Oh, because I didn't give myself any XP. PI dot red experience. Okay, I'm also going to make it so it's not level 12 zombies. Okay, yeah, level 12, level 1 zombies. That'll work. Reload that. Okay, so now we should have Level 1 zombies. Yep, okay. But the health probably still 50. No, yes. You should set XP every time someone picks up experience. No, because I just disabled experience, so you can't pick up experience because it's all done customly. I should be getting my health back, yeah. Okay, nice. I'm leveling up. I'm almost there. Level 3. Oh, that went quite far through level 3. Oh, that's because there are XP orbs still on the floor, I think. Let's get rid of those broadcasts wherever they are. And that's maybe here? No. Maybe in the level API? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I know you mean XP. Autocorrect can be quite annoying sometimes. Reload. So I should, yeah, okay, I'm back down to here. Spawner. I need to sort out the name, like their health bar name. Plus 4 XP. I think that's reasonable for XP. Because I'm not leveling up stupidly fast. Yeah, I think that's fine. And again, you won't be having a diamond sword at the beginning, you'll just be using a fist, or maybe a like a really rubbish wooden weapon where it does 1 to 2 damage maybe. Okay. And zombies. Oh, there's another one. I'm not sure why it suddenly zoomed up to halfway through level 4. Ow. Where are we looking to reach? No, we want health, wherever health. Entity teleport. Entity stand teleport. Nope. Entity damage, here we go. This is where we create the health thingy, whatever it is. If the health it should be, yeah, DZ.get max health. The max health, oh, 50. There we go, that will be why. And reload. Spawner. 3 out of 10. Minus 3 out of 10, they die, I get my XP. Let's punch this guy. Hi. 1, 0. Dead plus XP. Though I need to check the XP UI when I level up. It shoots quite far through. And yeah, it's noticeably gone down a bit how much XP I get per the kill. It's still quite a lot, but that's because I'm at the beginning of the game. 4 XP. I just want to level up again so I can see it happen again. And I think the spawn rate's fine. Oh, hi. Though I do want this XP that you get given to be a bit more random than the exact same amount each time. Oh, hi. 4 XP. Almost leveled up. Oh, I've got to be so close. Okay, yeah, it just jumped straight halfway through. Now if I leave and rejoin, does it fix that? No, okay. So it jumps halfway through your whatever it is. So this percent isn't working properly. Oops, did not mean to do that. So this percent can't be working properly. Current XP. Oh, I know why it's not working. It's because you'll always be partway through to the next level because your XP isn't gone back to 0. Okay, I think I had that problem before in my old thingy, but I fixed it. I think this was it. XP difference between the two. You get the X. Wait, let me. I think I had it in the hub scoreboard too. Level. Okay, yeah. Oh dear, it was quite a long thing. I remember now. Hello, Max. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. So the XP minus the XP you need plus the XP difference between the two plus 1 out of the XP difference plus 1. Oh dear. Okay. That's a bit confusing. So to get the percentage of the way through to the next level, it will be the XP difference between the two. Okay, I think I have an idea of how to do it, but I haven't thought of how to do it, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna copy this XP difference. So the XP difference between the two, and you also want to get their current way through. So the current way through will be get XP get level minus their current experience, I think. Hi. Whoa, another viewer now. I don't feel bad when I inevitably get bored and leave you. I need help with. What do you need help with? Given XP divided by the XP difference, I think? Or is it the XP difference? It might be +1. Let's try that out. I'm gonna leave, set myself back to level 1, 0 XP. Making the MC server with the vid that Game Motion did. I can do it, but I suck at the building. I mean, I can't really help with building. I mean, you could always ask a friend to do it. Oh, I exported the wrong thing. Spawner. Server lobby. You could just look online for server lobbies because there's a lot of them online. I should be back to level 1. Okay, instantly I'm already part of the way through when I shouldn't be. Okay, yeah, I'm just. What is going on? It's going backwards. It's going backwards. Oh dear. XP you need minus. XP needed. Minus current XP. But it's amazing just how good people are at going compared to me. How do you add plugins? I mean, adding plugins is really simple. Just as long as you have a Spigot, you just drag the plugin into your plugins folder, or Bukkit will work. And if you don't have money, then just download one offline. That's all I can suggest, or ask someone. Let's do the broadcasting again. Oops. It's been and then I did not mean to do those little brackets. I'm just broadcasting these things so I know exactly what the values are, because quite clearly it's not working right now. Level 1, experience 0. Reload. Rejoin. Oh, hello Anna. The party has now started. Indeed it has. 0. My current XP is not 8. What? Periodic experience. How do I make the sidebar with the scoreboard thingy with Bukkit and the N4NA stuff and say like welcome to blah blah blah? You have to use a scoreboard. It's actually really simple. If you just Google, follow me, just Google that and there'll be a plugin for it. If you don't want to make your own, there's literally a plugin here. Just download that. It will be a config file. If not, just type in this, and then here you go. You've got a tutorial with scoreboards. Follow this, and you'll get whatever you need. Anyway, goodbye. I don't know, but you just joined. The party just started, Anna. Okay. Reload. Okay, current XP 0, XP needed 8. Okay, yeah. 8. It's 8 minus 0. Oh, that'll be why. It wasn't a +1 after all. Yeah, if you have Spigot. If you don't want to make your own, just download the plugin I showed. If you do, follow the tutorial I also showed, so it'll be simple. Oh, percent should be 0, but it's 0.4. What? After is 7. Oh wait, I think it might be going backwards again. Yep, it's going backwards again. And that'll be because the number will be getting smaller. Okay, how do I make a free server that anyone can join without doing the local? You can't really. I mean, there are websites that let you host a free Minecraft server, but they're really bad. They have barely any RAM and can't support many players at all. You really need a bit of money at least, so you can actually run plugins and stuff like that. Okay, so the XP difference always remains the same, I believe. Oh, my chat's suddenly working. Current XP 12, XP needed is 27. So the XP difference is 19. But then yeah, you can't get free Minecraft servers that work well. None of the free Minecraft servers will last all day every day. None of them will be able to let you have loads of players. None of them will let you have loads of plugins. They're all just full of restrictions. The only way you can get a free one is localhost, like you said, but you don't want to do that, or you pay. So that's the only thing. Okay, let me carry on killing some of these zombies. 16, need 27, 20, need 27, 24, need 27, 28, I need 64. Hmm. 32, need 37. What happens if I now get past that 37 mark? Hmm. You can pay monthly. There's a website where you pay 300 more at once and you never have to pay again. I wouldn't trust things like that where you never have to pay again. I don't see the point in never having to pay again, because what if you want to stop the work? If anyone's a big YouTuber and has lots of money, yeah, but big YouTubers have spent years doing stuff, and I don't think you want to wait years to get anywhere. See, this works, but it's all in reverse. Let me go back down to here and look at my hub scoreboard. I'm going to copy that and put it in here so I can see. So that's the first half. So XP now, being a big YouTuber doesn't mean you have a lot of money. Yep, that is true. You only get a lot of money if you have lots of views, and even then you still don't get a lot. And what editing software do you use? Editing software, I just use Camtasia. But on live streams, I don't edit anything because it's all live, obviously. Uni, 6. Okay, bye Max, thanks for joining. XP difference. Difference. Okay, that doesn't. Oh, okay, yeah. XP difference is the max. I'm staying in the stream for as long as I can. That's nice, thank you. XP difference is the max, so that's what we're trying to calculate the percentage from. And then the current XP newest is the current XP minus the XP need. I mean, I guess that will work. And the percent equals I divided by I2. Alright. Why is that got a... oh. Float. Percent. I'll just paste percent too as well. And... export, why have I got an error? Am I missing a bracket or something? Yeah. How did you make the punish API? I haven't really got anything in it. It's just completely blank. I just check if they're muted or banned. That's it. Spawner. Give it 0. Percent 2 minus 1,800 and great. Why is that? Why is that a thing? Why is it minus? +1 maybe? No, it's not +1. XP difference, yeah. What's red protect? I'm not sure what red protect is. Current experience minus XP they need. Maybe it's that. That might have been what I had. Okay, I'm just giving myself infinite regeneration. Percent minus 1.1. Okay. Minus 1.9. Let's take a look in here again. So the XP minus the XP needed plus the XP difference. Current XP minus the XP needed plus the XP difference. Okay, out of XP difference. I'm not sure why that doesn't work. Let's just carry on killing a few. So it goes down to minus 1.8, minus 1.8, minus 1.7. It's coming up again. Minus 1.6. 1.5. Well, the other one's going down, the other one's coming up, but it's still a minus number, which it shouldn't be. Oh, so I need super help on this. On what? I don't know what you need help with. I2 %2. Let's just broadcast those three. Can you zoom in a little bit in Eclipse? Yeah, okay. What was it? Oh, okay. Spawner. Doing things where you walk into an area and it TPs you somewhere on the server. I did a video on doing portals. Okay, I is minus 82. I2 is 60. Why is it minus 82? That's where our problem is. I is their current experience, which is 104. Correct. Yep. Minus the XP they need. And then you plus the XP difference. In here, do I have a bracket around them? Nope. But yeah, I have a video on how to do portals, so if you just follow that, you can just use it for other things. and the XP needed is 125. So 104 minus 125. Well, that'd be where the problem is. And then it should add the XP difference. And the XP difference is 61. So if I get out the calculator, just because I can't be bothered to do all that in my head, so it should be 104 minus 125 plus 61, which should be 40, which it isn't. It's minus 82 on this. Oh, it's because I put a bracket around it all. That should work now. Spawner, game mode 0, 44%. Okay, perfect. 48. Oh wait, no, that's not percent. 78% through 8. Okay, I think I got it. Return %2. Reload, rejoin. Okay. Spawner. I think I got it. And it should flick back to the beginning rather than going halfway through when you're in the next level. So now I'm at 98% through. Perfect, finally. I'm like 0.03% through now. Okay, that's good. Percent. Okay, nice. So we have working XP. Oh, I got potato. Working XP, so you kill a mob. It displays the, oh, I didn't see it there. It displays the XP you got and who got it, who killed it. If there's multiple people, it will say shared. And your XP bar at the bottom tells you your level and the percentage way through that level you are. So that's nice. And it still spams with that mess. I think I didn't reload, and then I might be away. If I just spam a few spawners, I'm going to get loads of zombies spawning, so I can level up a load. And we can just test and make sure it works through all levels. Deranged zombie. Oh yeah, I see you all the way over there. Well, there's a lot spawning now. And theoretically, using my system of powers, oh, I'm exactly 0% through. Using my thing of powers, it should get progressively harder and harder to level up. So yeah, I think it is slowly getting harder. Now, I want to test something. If I leave, update that, and if I set myself to 1000, it should level me up a load. Maybe not. Oh, when I kill, yep, there we go, level 10. Okay, nice. So yeah, it leveled me up straight away up to the max level. Perhaps, rather than just giving the XP, perhaps it should like increment up. I don't know, that could be perhaps a later feature. But I think this is working fine as of now. Killing these zombies, getting all the XP. Oh, insta-killing these people. But what it doesn't do is, can you set a mob's damage. Perhaps it will have to be in this. If either entity zombie. Dot player. So if it's a player, because I want to use a custom damage. Okay, I can set the damage. So I want to use a custom damage. Oh, I died. Even though I had regeneration on? Okay. Oh no. I'm pretty sure I had regeneration on, so that shouldn't have happened. Well, either way, I've managed to do a lot in this live stream. And bang, you're dead. I want it to auto broadcast when you level up. Well, not broadcast, just sort of message all the nearby players. Because otherwise it would just get annoying for a load of people. But I'm probably gonna end the stream now because I've done quite a lot of work on it and it gets a bit tiring working non-stop on it. But I will be streaming again at some point. I probably won't ever stream during the day anymore because I have school obviously, so I can't. But the weekends maybe I might stream like I'm doing now, maybe next weekend, not too sure. I want to play a few more games. Perhaps I'll do another Outlast stream because that was good. It was spooky. All my links, like my Discord server, that's in the description if you want to join that, have a chat. There's lots of friendly people on it and you'll get notified whenever I'm live streaming, whenever I'm doing giveaways. I may do an Optifine Cape giveaway because my alt has an Optifine Cape, which I don't see the point because it's an alt. So I may give that away. So join the Discord and you'll be able to be notified when that is. My Patreon link's in the description as well. I've also got a I've also got a rank discount right now for God. It's 33% off, so a third off. We currently have 1 God and 4 heroes, 1 support. There is a patron, but he still hasn't even joined the server yet. So yeah, you can join in that. We do have recently just released private servers. I'm going to quickly show it off. Yeah, I am stopping the stream. I'm going to quickly show it off. I'm going to remove my server. Okay, so if you're a patron or above, so patron, support, and then all the staff ranks, except for helper, I believe. Possibly. No, I think helpers might be able to. Yeah, helpers can. So all the staff ranks and patron and support can go on private servers and create one here. Now, normal players can click on this and join any servers that are there, but there are no public ones as of now. Private servers are all your friends' private servers, but I can create one here, and now I can choose either private or public. I'll do public for now. And then from here you can choose survival, creative, or minigames. I'm going to do creative, so it will take you to the normal game lobby. It will take you to the normal game lobby and it will give you a bit of information here, so /info, it's just a building game mode. /LC is actually a new command, so you can just talk all to people to that's only in your lobby. And to change the server type, it deletes worlds and maps, so you'll need to contact me if you ever wanted a world saving. But from here you can vote for maps, so now you and the rest of your friends that are in the server, you can vote for whether you want a classic, Tunnel's Dream, all the different presets for whatever it is for creator worlds. So I'm just going to vote for the normal one. So once it's loaded, I'll just show you how the private servers work from here. So you got the normal world. Everyone that joins in Creative View, we have normal trails, normal chat and everything. And you can just build like normal. The only things that are disabled, I believe, are command blocks. So yeah, I just can't place command blocks, they just delete. So if you use the save toolbar glitch thing, well, it's not really a glitch, but some servers, okay, this one, I shouldn't have shown that, should I? But structure blocks don't work either. Oh dear. They were. I need to contact Sniffica to fix that because I can place them down. Are you stopping? I'm about to show it. Yes, I'm stopping now. But then you can leave the hub, and now if you go to private servers and public servers, I'm there with my ID. It won't be in private because it's public, but and then you can also change it to private here. You can join it just by clicking that. You can change it to inactive. So now public servers it won't display, but it's still there in the background. You can reactivate it whenever you want. You can kick players that are online, and it basically bans them as well. They can't rejoin. And then you can remove it, which is what I'm going to do now, so people can't mess around with the command blocks. But anyway, thank you for joining the live stream. I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next live stream.